Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And dear students, you all know that this online session is for the class 2. This is for the standard 2 students. So I hope that you all are ready to attend the mathematics lecture with your notebook and pencil into your hand. But before we begin our lecture, you know that we always begin the lecture with the quote, and here is the quote that think happy so you will be happy. If your think is happy, you always be happy into your life. This quote is very important throughout your life, students. So always think happy and be happy. Always think positive so your life will be positive. So this is the today's quote. Just follow the quote. Now let's start the revision for the FA3 exam that will come soon. And we are revising the chapter number 8, which is very important for the exam FA3. So let's start doing the revision of the previous lecture first, and then we will move to the next topic. So here is the revision. So dear students, I just gave you this third row as a homework. So I hope you all done this homework into the fair book or rough book. And this is the very easy worksheet related to the tables. If you know the tables, you will do this worksheet by yourself only. So here is the worksheet is there. Let's solve it, the half part. Here is the 9 twos are. So 9 twos are or 2 nines are, both are the same thing, or you can call it a multiplication fact. So 9 twos are or 2 nines are, both are same, which is equal to 18. Now the next sum, which is 5 fours are or 4 fives are, both are same. So the answer is 20. 5 fours are is equal to 20 and 4 fives are is also equal to 20. Then the next sum, here is 6 threes are or 3 sixes are is equal to 18. Both the answers you will get the same answer. Now the next one is 6 ones are or 1 sixes are, both are equal to 6. 1 sixes are is equal to 6 and 6 ones are is also equal to 6. Now the next one is a 6 nines are or 9 sixes are is both are same, which is 54. You can check the answers which you are writing, it is correct or not. And the last one, which is 6 sixes are. 6 sixes are is equal to 36. So this worksheet is complete here. So those students who still not complete this, so please complete this worksheet and write down into the rough book. Now the next worksheet is for you. Also this worksheet is also you have to write down for the practice into the rough book. Here is 2 ones are. First of all, you have to multiply 2 with the ones value, which is 1. So 2 ones are 2. You can see I write the 2 number under the ones column. Now you have to multiply 2 with the tens column, which is 2. So 2 twos are is equal to 4. You have to write down 4 under the tens column. So our answer of this sum is 42. Now the next sum, you have to multiply 2 with the ones value 2. So 2 twos are is equal to 4. Now multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 4. So 2 fours are is equal to 8. So the answer of this sum is 84. What is the product? You can call in the place of answer the product also. So the product is 84. Now the next one is 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 threes are is equal to 6. Then 2 fives are or 5 twos are, both are same. So 2 fives are is equal to 10. No need to put any carry, just write down both the digits together. Here you can see the answer is come in the 3 digit, 106. Now the next one, 2 fours are. So 2 fours are is equal to 8. 2 fours are 8 and 2 eights are is equal to 16. How much it is? 16. So the answer will come into the 2 digit, which is 168. Now the next one is 3 threes are. So 3 threes are is equal to 9, and the next one, the tens value is 4. So 3 fours are is equal to 12. So you can write down the answer this way, that 129. Answer will come into the 3 digit, 129. Then the next one is 3 twos are. 3 twos are is equal to 6. Then multiply 3 with the tens value, which is 5. So 3 fives are is equal to 15. So the answer is 156. Now the next one, 2 fours are. So 2 fours are is equal to 8. And the next one, the tens value is 6. So 2 sixes are is equal to 12. So here also you can get the answer in the 3 digits. So no need to put any carry because there is no digit, no any value after the tens. So you can write down the answer as it is, which is 128. Now the next sum, here is 2 twos are. So 2 twos are is equal to 4. 2 twos are is equal to 4, which is the ones value. Now let's multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 9. So 2 nines are is equal to 18. So what is the answer? So the answer is 184. Now the next one is 4 twos are. So let's multiply 4 with the ones value 2. So 4 twos are is equal to 8. Now 4 fives are, which is the tens value. So 4 fives are is equal to 20. So which answer we are getting? So we are getting the answer 208. Now the next one, next sum, here is the 4. So 4 ones are. 4 ones are 4 and the tens value is 7. So let's multiply 4 with the 7. So 4 sevens are is equal to 28. So the answer is 284. Now the next one, here is 1 six are 6 and at the tens value 1 nines are 9. Then the next one, 1 sevens are 7 and 1 threes are 3. Here is 37. So my dear students, you have to write down this worksheet into the rough book 2 times for the revision. May these types of questions will come into the FA3 exam. So for the exams of FA3, do the revision of this worksheet. This is very useful to you and improve your practice. So please learn and write down this worksheet into the homework. This is your homework, students. Now today's topic is multiplying regrouping tens. This is the next topic of this chapter. So those students who are not understanding this, for them I just explain this topic again. Today's topic is multiplying regrouping tens. What do you mean by this topic? Let's see through some examples, because with the example you can easily understood what is the topic exactly. Now here is the step 1 for you. You will be very better understood with the help of examples. So here is step 1. So read this step first. Multiply 3 with 1's value. So here you can see both the digits is in a different color. It means in orange color you can see. Here is the 3. which table you have to speak, which is 3. And here is the ones value, which is 2. So you have to speak the table 3 till the 2. So 3 twos is equal to 6. This step 1 is complete. Now the step 2 is multiply 3 with tens value. So you can see we have to speak the table number 3 only, and the tens value is 4. So we have to multiply 3 with 4. So 3 fours is equal to 12. So here you can see we just write down answer in the 2 digit, because after the tens value there is no any value of the hundreds column. There is no any other column is there. So that's why we can write down the answer in the 2 digit, because there is no any value available for the carry. So we can write down answer in a 2 digit. You can call it a regrouping tens, right? We are writing answer in a 2 digit, so you can call it a regrouping tens. Now let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood. So here is 3 twos which is the ones value. So 3 twos is equal to 6 and the tens value is 4. So 3 fours is equal to 12. So the final answer is, the final product is 126. What is the answer? 126. Now the next example for you students. Here is the step 1, that multiply 2 with the ones value. So here you can see the 2 or the ones value is 3. So 2 threes is equal to 6. So first step we completed. Now let's move to the step number 2, and the step is multiply 2 with the tens value. So whenever you are regrouping the tens, you will get the answer in the 2 digit. So here is 2, let's multiply with the tens value, which is 7. So 2 sevens is equal to 14. So you can see that we get the answer in the 2 digits. Again, there is no any next column of the hundreds. That's why we can write down the answer in the 2 digit. Now let's do both the steps together. Now here is 2 threes is equal to 6 and 2 sevens is equal to 14. So we get the answer in the 3 digit, which is 146. Now the next example is, and the step 1 is multiply 3 with the ones value, which is 2. So 3 twos is equal to 6. Then the step 2 is there, multiply 3 with the tens value, which is 5. So 3 fives is equal to 15. You can see here, let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood this method. Here is 3 twos. So 3 twos is equal to 6, then the tens value, which is 5. So 3 fives is equal to 15. So the answer is 156. Next example for you, multiply 2 with the ones value, which is also a 2. You can see here is the 2 and the ones value is also a 2. So 2 twos is equal to 4. Now step 1 is complete. Let's move to the step 2 here, and the multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 6. So 2 6 is equal to 12. You can see we get the answer in the 2 digit. So let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood this. So 2 twos is equal to 4 and 2 6 is equal to 12. So the answer is 124. Now the next one, regrouping ones. What is the next topic? Regrouping ones. So let's see how to regroup ones. In this, the answer will come in the ones 2 digit. Let's see through the example. So multiply 4 with ones value. So 4 threes is equal to 12. and you have to put number 1 as a carry, as we do in the addition, that whenever you will get the answer in a 2 digit, put one number as a carry forward on the next digit. Here is the next digit available, so you can put the carry. So here is the step 2. Already I put the carry because of we are regrouping the ones. So 4 twos is equal to 8, right? 4 twos is equal to 8 plus 1 we have to add, which is the carry forwarded number. So 4 twos are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So let's do this sum again, so you can easily understood this. 4 threes is equal to 12. So from the 12, which is 2 is 1's value, so we can write down 2 under the 1's column, and 1 will move from the 12 as a carry forwarded number on the 10's column. Now 4 twos are 8. You have to add this one number into the 8. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So the final answer is 92. Next sum I have for you. So let's multiply 2 with the 1's value, which is 5. So 2 fives is equal to 10. So I put 0 here under the 1's column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. This step 1 is completed. So let's move to the step 2. So here is let's multiply 2 with the 10's value. So here is 2 threes are 6, and you have to add one number into the 6 is equal to 7. I hope you easily understood this. Now let's do this sum again. 2 fives are 10, so we can put a 0. 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Then 2 threes are 6 plus this carry forwarded number you have to add, and 2 threes are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. This is the final answer, students. Example I have for you. So here is the next example. So here is in the step 1. Here is 35 multiplied by 2. What it is in the step 1? So here is multiply 2 with the 1's value. What we have to do in the step number 1? So multiply 2 with 1's value. So here is the 2 number. We have to multiply with the 5. So 2 fives are. So answer will come in the 2 digit. So 0 is at the 1's place, and here we are writing the one number which is the carry forwarded. We can put here as a carry forwarded number on the 10's column. This way, here is 1 0 10. 2 fives is equal to 10. So we can write down 0 under the 1's column, and number 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the 10's column. Now this step number 1 is complete. So here is the step number 2, which is 2 threes. So 2 threes is equal to 6 plus 1 carry we have to add into the 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, right? So here you can see I write down number 7 under the 10's column. Here is number 7. You can see this. So let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood this. Now here is 2 fives. So 2 fives is equal to 10. So I write 0 under the 1's column, and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the 10's column. So this step 1 is complete. So let's move to the step 2, which is 2 threes. Multiply 2 with the 10's value, which is 3. So 2 threes is equal to 6. So we have to add this carry forwarded number, which is 1, into the 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the answer is 7070. This is the answer. Now one more example for you. Multiply 3 with the 1's value. Here is multiply. We have to speak the table number 3, and the 1's value is 6. So 3 6 is equal to 18. So from the 18 we have to write down number 8 under the 1's column, and then we can put one number from the 18 as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. You can see it here. Now the next one, step 2, let's go for it, and let's multiply number 3 with the tens value, which is 2. So 3 2s is equal to 6. In the 6 we have to add one number which is carry forwarded. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now let's do both the steps together. So here is 3 6. So 3 6 is equal to 18. Write down under the ones column number 8, and number 1 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now here is 3 2s. So 3 2s is equal to 6, and add one number which is carry forwarded into the 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the final answer is 78. Now the next, multiply 5 with 1's value. Here is multiply 5 with the 1's value. So here is 5 4s. So 5 4s is equal to 20. So we can write down 0 from the 20 under the 1's column, and number 2 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. You can see here in the screen which is in front of you that here is I am writing number 2 as a carry forwarded number. Now let's move to the step 2. Here is multiply 5 with tens value. What? Let's multiply number 5 with the tens value. So here is 5 2s. The tens value is 2. So 5 2s is equal to 10, and you have to add 2 number into the 10. So 5 2s 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So there is no any digit after the tens column, so you can write down 1 as it is. No need to put this one number as a carry. You can write down as it is. Let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood this. Here is 5 4s. So 5 4s is equal to 20. So you can write down 0 under the ones column. 2 will move as a carry forwarded number. Here you can see. Now let's multiply 5 with the tens value. So 5 2s 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So here you can see that 120. Here is 120, which is the answer. I hope you like this, students, and understood also these types of sum. If you know the table, you can easily solve these types of sum by yourself only. Now here one worksheet for you. You can solve this worksheet by yourself if you know the tables. If your table vocabulary is very good, then you can easily solve these types of sum by yourself. Let's start solving it. Here is 3 4s. We have to take first the ones column. So here is 3 4s. 3 4s is equal to 12. So we can put 2 under the ones column, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 3 8s. 3 8s is equal to 24, plus 1 you have to add into the 24 is equal to 25. So here is the answer 252. We are getting the answer 252. Now the next one is 4 6s. So 4 6s is equal to 24. So you can write down 4 under the ones column, and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 4 8s. 4 8s is equal to 48, plus 2 is equal to 4 8s is equal to 32. Plus 2 is equal to 34. So here is the answer 344. Now the next sum, here is 2 8s. 2 8s, how much it is? 2 8s 16. So you can write down 6 under the ones column. 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 2s. 2 2s 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is 56. What is the answer for this sum? It is 56. Now the next sum, here is 2 8s. So again 2 8s is equal to 16. So you can write down 6 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 4s is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So for this sum, the answer we are getting is 96. Now the next one, 6 6s. What is a 6 6s? 6 6s 36. So from the 36, I am writing number 6 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 3s. 6 3s is equal to 18. So we have to add 3 number into the 18. So which answer will come? 19, 20 and 21. So 21 number will come. So the answer for this sum is 216. Now the next sum is here 3 8s. So 3 8s is equal to 24. So I am write down 4 under the ones column and number 2 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now the number 3 6s. So here 3 6s is equal to 18. So in the 18 you have to add 2 number which is carry forwarded. So 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So for this sum, the answer is 204. What is the answer? 204. This is the answer. Let's move to the next sum. Here is 5 7s. 5 7s 35. So I am writing 5 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now the next one, 5 8s. 5 8s is equal to 40. So we have to add 3 number into the 40. So 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. Here you can see 43. So the final answer for this sum is 435. What is the final answer? 435. This is the answer. Now the next one is 8 6s. How much it is? If you know the table very well, you can easily solve this sum by yourself without taking anyone's help. But to solve these types of sum, you must need a table. If you know the table, this is the easiest sum for you. Now the next one, 8 6s. 8 6s is equal to 48. So here I am writing 8 under the ones column and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now again 8 6s is here. 8 6s is equal to 48. So add 4 number into the 48. So 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. How much it is? 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. So here is the answer 528. What is the answer? 528. Now the next one, 4 3s. So 4 3s is equal to 12. So from the 12 I write 2 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. You can see here. Now 4 7s. 4 7s are 28 plus 1 you have to add is equal to 29. So here is 292. This is the answer, 292. Now the next one, 7 nines are. How much it is 7 nines are? So 7 nines are is equal to 63. 7 nines are 63. So I write 3 under the ones column and 6 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now here is 7 six are. How much it is 7 six are? So 6 sevens are 42 plus 6 is equal to 48. So the answer for this sum is 483. What is the answer? 483. Now the next sum, 7 sevens are. So 7 sevens are is equal to 49. So you can write down 9 under the ones column. 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now again 7 sevens are. So 7 sevens are is equal to 49, plus you have to add this 4 number into the 49. So 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So the answer for this sum is equal to 539. What is the answer? 539. Now the next one, 8 fours are. 8 fours are is equal to 32. So you can write down 2 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now 8 six are. How much it is 8 six are? 8 six are 48. 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So the final answer for this sum is 512. Here is 9 eights are. 9 eights are is equal to 72. So we can move 7 number as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now here is again 9 eights are, which is 72. So 72 plus 7 is equal to 79. So the final answer is 792. Now the next one, 6 sevens are. So 6 sevens are is equal to 42. So we can write down 2 under the ones column and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 6 are 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. Then the next one, 6 fives are. 6 fives are is equal to 30. So you can write down 0 under the ones column. 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 sevens are. 6 sevens are 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. So the last row is a homework for you students. Complete this worksheet into the rough book. This is very important worksheet for you students. Students, complete the worksheet from the video. Write down all the revision into the rough book 2 times and wait for the next video. Thank you for your attention. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much students. Bye bye.